ABC Educational Channel. Hello everyone, welcome to our English speaking practice. Today, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves. In English, let me introduce myself. Hello, everyone. My name is Tom. I am 10 years old and I live in Bangkok. I am a student in grade 4. My favorite subject is English because it is fun and interesting. I like playing football with my friends after school. My favorite color is blue. I enjoy spending time with my family on weekends. I am happy to be here today. Nice to meet you all.
Let me introduce myself. Hi everyone. My name is Anna. I am 9 years old and I live in Chiang Mai. I am grade 3 student. My favorite subject is science because I enjoy learning about nature and animals. I love reading books in my free time. I have one brother and we often play together. My favorite food is pizza. I like helping my parents at home. Thank you for listening to my introduction.
Let me introduce myself. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ben. I am 11 years old and I live in Phuket. I study at Sunshine School and I am in grade 5. My favorite hobby is swimming because it keeps me healthy and active. I also enjoy playing with my friends. My favorite animal is a dolphin because it is smart and friendly. I love eating ice cream and my favorite color is green. It is nice to meet you all today. Let me introduce myself. Hi everyone, my name is Jack. I am 9 years old and I live in Krabi. I study in grade 3. My favorite subject is math because I enjoy solving problems. I like riding my bicycle and playing video games in my free time. My favorite color is red. I also enjoy watching cartoon and reading storybooks. I love spending time with my family. Nice to meet you all, and thank you for listening.
Let me introduce myself. Hello, friends, my name is Lily. I am 10 years old and I live in Pattaya. I am in grade 4 student. My favorite subject is art because I love drawing and coloring pictures. I have a pet cat and I play with it every day. My favorite fruit is mango because it is sweet and delicious. I enjoy spending time with my family and friends. I like learning new things at school. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Wonderful job, everyone. Today, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves in English. We talk about our names, ages, where we live, and our favorite subject, hobbies and other interesting about ourselves.